Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smart savings with the electronic piggy bank password safe box. If you're looking for a way to teach your kids about the importance of saving money, then this is the product for you. This isn't your average piggy bank, it's a high-tech interactive tool that not only encourages savings habits, but also introduces kids to the concept of ATM banking in a fun and playful way. With its digital coin slot and built-in ATM machine, this piggy bank provides a hands-on learning experience for children, giving them a sense of control over their finances. That's not all. The electronic piggy bank also features a digital password lock, ensuring the security of your child's savings and teaching them the importance of keeping their money safe. It's a great way to introduce kids to the world of financial responsibility in a way that's engaging and enjoyable. Let's talk about the feedback and rewards. Your satisfaction is important to us. We want to make sure you have the best experience possible, so if you have any issues with the product, please reach out to us and we'll do our best to help you out. So, if you're ready to take the next step in teaching your kids about money management and savings, then click the link in the description to get your very own electronic piggy bank password safe box. And don't forget to leave a positive rating if you love the product. Thanks for watching and happy saving.